Now there's a man what I knew, what the mother told me to tell you. He was sitting in court, 18 years old, just became 18. Then they kept the man there from the morning, 9 o'clock when the court opened, till the end, 4:30, 5 o'clock. Listen to all the cases, how it goes on there. In the man told, it's almost like a small, how can I say it, man? Mall, entertainment area where all the people come in to die. Many is dead, some is still alive. Everybody has that particular clothes on and that particular clothes, and this person is that person, and this one does that, and the judge are there on top, and another judge at the bottom. They keep that particular man there from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock to understand what's going on. Of course, they could see that man is gonna cry at the end. He's gonna cry himself out. Never back in the judge's court of law. That's what happened. Then all that man must say is yes, it is within. That's what this been said. You just say yes. That's what they want to hear. Just say yes. Nothing else. Yes, and that man did agree. Yes, he will say yes.